Now, if you want to be really strict about this and to say, I really want to control the whole learner journey here, that not only do I want not to show the next button until the video is finished, but I want to make sure that they do actually watch all of that video before moving on. So we can make a refinement here. So what I can do here is now with the video player, you've got these controls here on the right-hand side in the media settings. I can control which elements are going to appear in that video play bar. So I could actually remove the progress bar there. So again, I'm being very strict with the learners. Again, it's entirely your decision in terms of your instructional design, whether you consider this to be a good or a bad thing for your learners. But this is the technicalities of how you do that. So what I'm going to do there is let's just save that away. Let's go back to our screen and just refresh it. And now if I've done this right, we should still have the video that we can play, but what we should see is that we don't have the option just to scrub through it. Here we go. We have our video player. And now you can see that I don't have that little progress bar, that scrubber bar. So I have to actually watch the whole of the video there. Fortunately, this one isn't too long. And so now at the end, so the screen is now complete, and I now get my next button.